Okay, let's get this show started. Welcome all to hear more about Leden Group and our manufacturing solutions of energy storage systems. Welcome, sir. There's still some room for you. Yes. So my name is Mari Huuki and I am the sales director of Leden Group. And let's go forward. Leden Group is a full-service contract manufacturer with roots in Finland and in Estonia.
I'm sorry, can I interrupt?
Yes.
For me this is quite boring, so...
Oh,
yeah,
tough cookie.
So I would like to ask a few questions instead.
Sure.
Right, so I have this new product. It's a battery cabinet full of lithium-ion batteries. So could you tell me why to choose Leden to be my partner in manufacturing?
Yes, we have put all the framework around the BESS system, so we really know how to do it.
All right. Yeah.
We are the subcontracting manufacturer, so we really know the metal parts and the complex system assemblies, so we have long experience with those. We have been doing the UPS systems for over 25 years, and with the battery energy storage system we started in 2022.
All right, that's interesting. So, but who are your customers? I guess you're working with some small players only.
No, we do have some international customers who operate in the global market. And I'd like to mention that when we talk about the battery system solutions, it comes more to the assembly process. It goes beyond the assembly. For example, we have been doing a lot of research and project work around storing the batteries so that we can, for example, stock in our warehouse over 2,000 lithium-ion batteries. There's many issues regarding that, the safety topics, dangerous goods topics, and we need to involve with the municipality, with the fire department, with the logistic partner. So there's many things to clarify, and we have done this.
Okay.
So we know how to do it.
Yeah, that sounds a bit complex.
Yes, at first it was really complex, but we know now how to do it, and all the topics have been cleared. So we are ready and we can stock the batteries no matter what type of batteries they are, so in safe and secure the conditions.
Mm-hmm. Right, good. So can you still shortly summarize why should I choose Leden to be my partner?
Yes, you should choose Leden because we are the experts in manufacturing the best systems. And we have all the processes clarified and all the safety topics taken care, so we are really masters in manufacturing the best systems.
All right. Then my customers are in EU, US, some in South America, so where are you located and can you deliver it there?
Our factories are in Finland, and we also have a factory in Estonia, Tallinn. But the battery systems, we are currently working in Finland. Oh. And we deliver to Europe, US, India, South America, to mention some.
Okay. Yeah, so Finland is there, so quite close by.
Yes,
yeah.
Finland is neighbor to Sweden and Norway, and we are located in the main roads, so we have easy access to railroads, to main roads, to harbors, ports, everything good.
All right.
Our delivery capabilities around the world.
Okay, very good. So I guess you know that with lithium-ion batteries we are working with dangerous goods, and so there's many risks and traceability is needed. So how do you work with that?
Usually the products are marked and traced to individual parts used in the products. So we are totally aware where the goods are moving and where they are going. Regarding the transportation of battery systems, they are indeed the dangerous goods. There have been done the risk analysis and all the safety topics and measurements and all the regulations and the requirements are taken into consideration. And of course, it's a complex matters, but we have clarified everything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so how do you make sure that you're able to deliver in time?
The key topic is having a good delivery capability and ensuring the part availability. So we need to figure out what parts we need to stock, and this way we can stock the semi-finished and the finished parts and make sure that they are on time for your customers.
Okay. Right, so I have now all the drawings ready for my product, and I plan to move ahead with the candidates. So, and I guess what I hear from you, Leden, might be one of these candidates.
Yoo-hoo!
So, what would be the next steps, and when I could get the first batches from you?
Yes, I'm happy to hear that you are considering us seriously. Of course, we need to make the quotation next, and which includes obviously the pricing. And typically, our quotes include also the cell design and tooling and storage, for example. So we can proceed to that.
Yeah, very good. Sounds well organized.
Yes, and then there will be a preliminary project plan and a ramp-up plan, and this is typically 3 to 6 month project with the 3-month ramp-up.
Okay. Right. Okay. So if we reach an agreement, so how the production will be started then?
Yes, we will make sure that you have a project manager dedicated to you, and then we will select the best team to work with and to practice the first batches. And when we are ready for the serial production, of course, this requires a lot of communication with your company, and then to make sure that everything is under consideration and we have a good trust and everything goes smoothly. So
all right.
This is the way to build the trust.
Okay, understand. So maybe I would like to still discuss with your current customers. I would like to check, are you really who you say you are?
Yes, of course, that's completely fine, and I can give you some contacts so you can contact them then.
Okay, thank you. I'll be in contact.
Sure. Okay, thank you everyone. We still have some time, so please welcome to discuss some more in our booth in the Hall D. And my colleague here who was playing the critical customer is Mr. Pasi Sarkkinen, and he is the export and sales manager for Leden Group. And what I want you guys to remember from this presentation is name Leden and professional battery storage systems and good team. Thank you.